Hello guys, welcome to the JavaScript tutorial, and today we'll discuss about setTimeout, clearTimeout, setInterval and clearInterval. Now we'll discuss about the setTimeout. The setTimeout sets a timer and executes the attached callback function after times expires. So setTimeout accepts two arguments. One is callback function, another is timer. So the callback function will be executed after the time expires. So when we set the set timeout, then a timer in the browser start the counting down. When the counting down is over or it expires, then the callback function will be called. Now we can see with the examples. Okay. Set timeout. First I'm giving this console, then to log. My name is Ganesha. Okay, and it will be execute after this timer. So this timer means it is basically defined in millisecond. So 1000 millisecond means 1 second. So after 1 second, this attach function will be executed. See, after 1 second, we can see the output is my name is Ganesha, right? Now, if I'll write the same thing here, function my name, okay, and if I'll call this function here, okay, now if I'll write this function reference here, then what will happen? Same thing, right? Because I'm just calling the function reference name here, and after 1000 millisecond, then my name will be executed. Okay. But if I'll call function call like this, then what will happen? Then you can see the callback argument must be of type function. Basically, my name is like what? It is returning undefined, right? So undefined then the 1000. It doesn't meaning anything. That's why like whenever we'll call a function, then we have to just give the function reference. We are not calling the function. After the timer expire, then the function will be called automatically. Okay, now what we can do, the set timeout also accept some additional or optional parameters also. I'll just pass the optional parameter here. I'm passing here Krishna. Okay, and I'm giving here my, yeah. So you can see, hey Krishna, my name is Ganesha. So that's why, so I'm passing Krishna as a parameter and it's being stored into M, and that M we are printing out here. So the set timeout returns a timer ID. Timer ID means the timer identifier, and it will be like integer. We can see in the browser itself, uh, in the console, I'm just returning t equals to set timeout. Then I'm just okay, console.log, then trying to find out the t. See, it's giving 10, right? If we want to stop the execution, or like if we want to cancel the set timeout, then we can call the clear timeout method. How? So now I just defined let t equals to this, and I'm giving 1000 millisecond. Then I'm just calling the clear timeout. So the clear timeout is used to stop the execution, or if you want to cancel the set timeout, then we can use the clear timeout. Simple. Now if I'll try to execute this, then you can see nothing has been printed out because I just cleared that or like stop that executions. So now we'll discuss about the set interval. Set interval means it repeatedly calls the attached callback function with a fixed delay timer between the two calls. Okay. Now if I'll use the set interval, like same, I'm just giving function set interval console.log. My name is Ganesha. Now if I use the set interval, means मुझे repeatedly कुछ call करना है, like मुझे repeatedly कुछ चाहिए, then I can use the set interval. Okay, like this, get name, then 1000, that's all. See, after 1 second, it's repeatedly printing my name is Ganesha, my name is Ganesha. It will be continued until I'm not stopping it. Okay. And the same way we can pass the optional parameters also inside the set interval. We will pass Krishna here also and M, then we can say a, we can see hey Krishna, my name is Ganesha, it's printing. So it will repeatedly print or it will repeatedly execute the attach function with this time frame. Okay, now we'll discuss about the clear interval, because this repeatedly calls will continue until I'm not stopping the executions, right? To stop the executions we have to call the clear interval. So set interval also returns a timer id. Okay, in that way we can just clear the interval and we can stop the executions. Let interval equals to this, then clear interval. I'll do like this, then it will just stop the executions. Let's see. Yeah, stop it. um we can create the same set interval concept by using set timeout also. Let's see how. Let timer is to set timeout. Okay, I'm calling this a console dot log. Hi, I'm Ganesha, and here I'm again using timer, then set timeout, then again. So here I'll give one function name because it's a basically recursive call. My name, uh, yes, then this my name, I'll call it here, and if I'll give here 1 second, then I'll give 1 second also here. Let's see. Hi, I'm Ganesha. Hi, I'm Ganesha. It's repeatedly printing, so that means it's behaving like a set interval, right? But in that way we can just create the set interval concept. But in here with the certain condition I can check, okay, if the timer is that, or like the my name, right? In here, if I'll do one thing, let's see. So yeah, so I just declare one I equals to 0, then I'm just incrementing here. Then let's see the i's value. Yeah, okay, 1, 2, 3, it's coming, right? Now if I'll do something, okay, after 5 I just clear the time, means I want to stop the execution when the I value will be 5. So if I equals to 5, then simply just clear timeout the timer. That means I want to stop the executions. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it stopped. Like when it's 5, then it going inside and it's just clearing the timeout. Okay. For the set interval also, like whenever we use the set interval, you have to think in the mind. It should not create any infinite the repetitive calls, because it will just create the memory on the browser and it can hang the browser itself. So we need to be very careful when you use the set interval. Whenever we're leaving the component or leaving the application, then you have to call the clear interval, so that basically it will clear like whatever we have started the executions. Okay. Okay, I want to discuss one thing, like when you use the timer as 0, then what will happen? So it will take the 0, means it will take 0 millisecond to execute the function. Okay. uh, if I'll use 0 here, see, my name is Ganesha, but it's taking like 0 millisecond. I hope you guys got it. If you don't understand, then please let me know. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next session.